Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Knowing an Angel. Well, first than anything I want to say Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have the best holidays ever. I just can start by saying that my Christmas was amazing. I got to spend it with all my family, my dad, my siblings, my nephews. But today is a special video because it's gonna be, or I'm gonna be doing my first ever giveaway because I just want to say how grateful and how thankful I am that I've been doing this, like for a few months, and even though I don't have like thousand subscribers, I am very happy with the ones that I have, and I know little by little it's gonna keep growing and growing, so that's why I'm gonna be giving these giveaways, just in the appreciation and love that I have for all of you. This beautiful set from Tarte, to give or to keep. Oh my god, it's the Gilded gift. They came out with this new gift set for these holidays, even though Christmas is already done. I have a brand new set that I'm gonna be giving away for any one of you. And it's gonna be only two simple steps, so stay tuned or keep watching so I can tell you those two little simple steps that you must do to win this beautiful set. Well, let's open it up. This one is the one that I already used, but this is how it comes. Look at that. So this is the first palette. This is the one I used, which was gorgeous. This is the second one, which is beautiful too. I might be doing a video with this one. I don't know, maybe yes, maybe not. But honestly, I love every single thing that I came here. Especially the lip gloss. Oh my god, look at that. Alright, beautiful. So just keep watching this beautiful video. I'm gonna be doing this look and I'm gonna be telling you what are those two steps to win this beautiful set. So stay tuned on Knowing an Angel. Oh my god. So this palette was honestly very easy to use. It was very easy to play with, and that's why I want to give it away, so you can have like an everyday look, so you can do a little something fun. This looks a little bit more like, even though it still looks a little bit natural, you can still wear it for a fun night, especially for this holiday, maybe New Year. Oh my god. So yes, I'm gonna be giving away this whole entire beautiful box. So you're gonna be getting two palettes, two lip paints, two mascaras, and two beautiful brushes. Well, I'm gonna give you the first step. The first step will be that you need to subscribe to my channel, and if you're already subscribed, don't worry about it. Just make sure that you press the little bell, so that way I can know for sure who has been subscribed and who is not, because usually when you don't press the bell, it doesn't notify you. It doesn't notify you. Oh my god, it doesn't notify you if you're subscribed or not. So it's very important. So that way too you'll be informed that I have a new video. Thank you. And the second step will be that you need to go to my YouTube channel and comment down below this video in the comments whatever you wanna comment in this video, but very important, you need to put the angel emoji, the little angel with the halo emoji, which is right here. So make sure you put that in your comments so that way I will know that you did the steps. For once again, for those who already subscribed, don't worry about it, just make sure you press the little bell and make sure to go to this video on my YouTube channel and comment down below whatever you like to comment, and make sure next to that you put a little angel emoji. And I'm gonna be announcing the winner. So today is December 26th, so I'm gonna be announcing the winner on January 26th or around those days on one of my videos by then, so pretty much a month from now. So please do those little two simple steps and I promise you're gonna be receiving this beautiful palette. So I'm super excited. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you like this little look. And yes, as I said, it's super beautiful. I enjoy playing with the palette. It was very easy to play with. Everything was beautiful. I love that lip gloss. I love the lip gloss. It was so beautiful, so fun. It even feels a little bit yummy. Yeah, love it. Very pigmented, very natural. But even though that the colors are super natural, you can still have a lot of fun with it, as you can see. So, alright, beautifuls. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I can't wait to announce the winner for this beautiful palette.